If you move back 100 years ago, you'll find different jobs that don't even exist anymore. And you must wonder that why these jobs were even necessary. For example, your elevators had to be operated by professional liftmen who were required to make sure that you had a smooth lift ride. Your phone lines were not automated, so we wanted switchboard operators to connect you to your party. Even your bowling alleys, they had manual pin setters to make sure that you are ready for your next frame. Now these jobs may seem absurd to you and you must wonder that why these jobs are even necessary. But don't feel too superior now, okay? Because someone must be thinking the same thing about your job 50 years or 100 years from now. See, the fear of technological unemployment is not new. It has been predicted hundreds of years ago by famous scientists. Now, which things can be automated? Which jobs are the right candidates for automations? Any job or anything that has predictable steps involved is a ripe candidate for automation. For example, insurance advisors or loan underwriters, they are getting replaced by machine algorithms who can crunch data much faster and more accurate. Your store managers or store merchandisers, they are getting replaced by computer softwares or programs who can do invoice tracking, order planning, shelf planning much faster and more accurate. Your lawyers with vast access to online databases, they have the lesser need of paralegals and secretary because they have a good amount of data available with them to do their research. Even your tax advisors, they are facing the heat because they're getting replaced by computer softwares or programs which can guide you about your tax. They can do tax planning and give you wonderful recommendations. Now this is getting scary. Should I be worried? Is my job safe? If not, what do I need to do to make sure that I am future ready? Watch the video till the end. In the end, I'll give you a bonus tip that will help you to make sure that your job is future ready. Now the question is, which jobs are safe from this technological unemployment? Honestly, if you ask me, there is no job which is safe forever from this technological unemployment. All you can do is buy yourself some time. Or you can choose different fields like new and upcoming fields which are safe for the time being. For example, robotics and data science, video game development, social media marketing, alternative energy. These are new and upcoming fields which are safe for the time being. Another field which is going to be safe from this technological unemployment is the field of arts. Trust me, the robotic technology hasn't even gotten closer to replace your traditional poets or musicians. A lot of companies, they have tried, but they have fallen flat on their faces. So if you are a musician or if you are a poet, you do not have to worry about that. Okay. Another segment which is future proof from this technological unemployment is a segment which requires interpersonal relationship. For example, if you are a realtor, if you are a property advisor, right? And say if I want to buy a home right now, if I want to spend my life earning and I want to build my dream home, I may not want to walk into a room filled with robots guiding me that how should I spend my money. I will definitely miss that human intervention. I will definitely miss that human touch. So if you are a realtor, you're selling people their dream homes, trust me, you are currently safe from this technological advancement, and your jobs might not get replaced by robots who are guiding people to buy homes. Another segment which requires interpersonal relationship is elderly care. So elderly care is something, your robots, they definitely miss the human touch, and this particular job sector definitely requires your human intervention. So if you are in a elderly care sector, then you do not have to worry for now. So another question is that what best you can do to make sure that your current sector is future proof. You are not threatened by the fear of automation. The best thing that you can do to make sure that you are future proof is to look out for innovation in your current sector. Now, for example, if you are in the field of finance, you should look out for data analytics. You should look out for fintech. You should look out for technological advancement which are happening in the fields of finance. Let me give you a recent example. An example of fintech company, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. Do you think when these automations, when these companies, when they came into picture, they took thousands of jobs? Instead, they created jobs. As different or famous economists, they predicted that your technological advancement is bound to create more jobs to compensate for the jobs that they're already taking. Your standard or your or your orthodox jobs might get replaced, but if you are smart, there will be a lot of jobs which will be coming your way. So as I said, if you want to make sure that you are future proof in your current sector, look out for technological advancement. If you are in the field of finance, try upskilling yourself with some extra skills like data analytics, because this is something which will help you. So data analytics will help you in finance as well as in marketing, right? So as I said, the technological advancement is going to create more jobs than what they are going to take. There is a lot of things which are unexplored on this earth. So at this stage, we should not be worried if our jobs will be taken away too quickly, as long as we upskill ourselves with time. If we keep doing the same thing, if we keep crunching the same numbers every day, then you should be worried. But if you are upskilling yourself, if you are keeping pace with the technology advancement which is happening in your current sector, then you should not worry too much about that. As they said, right, so even if we think that robots may take millions of jobs, but do think about it. To create robots, you need people to first design the robot, you need people to build the robot, you need people to maintain it, and you need people to supervise it. So as I said, the technology is going to create millions of jobs, but it is going to create multi-million jobs for you. So you should be safe, you should not worry, as long as you keep upskilling yourself, you keep looking out for the skills that can enhance your current ability to do a certain task. Having said that, I hope this video made sense to you, and I hope that you keep upskilling yourself to make sure that you're not threatened by this technological unemployment, and I wish you all the best for your career. Thank you.